Hey, are you wondering what's up with the release of AirPods Pro 2? Well, I am too, and German does give us an update regarding that. And so let's delve into it, but first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. So yeah, it's been quite a while since AirPods Pro 1 launched. I believe it was October 2019, so that's going to be 3 years, and we still have no refresh to the AirPods Pro. And while that does cause a major issue for the early adopters, because those who paid Timothy on day one to get these AirPods have now got battery life that's absolutely horrendous. And since it does cost an arm and a leg to replace the actual battery within these AirPods, many are waiting for the second gen to release. And well, that's where Mark Gurman comes in, because he gives us some great information regarding the release and some other tidbits. So first of all, when can we expect AirPods Pro 2 to get released? Well, Gurman says it should be a full release. And while that does make sense, because of course we did see AirPods 3 get released in October last year, so of course AirPods Pro to follow suit makes complete sense. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward, and I very much hope there's no delays with the development of these AirPods. Now, what kind of upgrades can we expect with AirPods Pro 2? Well, there's been a plethora of reports, but the main changes are this. We're going to see a new design that's going to be stemless. Yes, I know these are going to look like every other earbuds on the market, and you will not be able to flex that you have AirPods, but I do think this is for the better, because a stemless design has a better fit and can sit more comfortably in your ear, so I do think this is the right move. We are also going to see improvements to the sound quality and the ANC of these AirPods. That's to be expected. And also, like AirPods 3, we could see updates to the battery life of these, which would be very nice because, as I said, these AirPods are kind of like disposable products since the batteries do degrade over time, so giving us a much bigger battery to begin with means that these last way longer, and so of course in the long term, it's a much better experience. Now, as is the norm in the world of Apple leaks, we do also have a few claims that are a little out there. For example, we could see speakers built within the case. I know that sounds pointless. Is this going to be a mini version of the HomePod now? Well, no, this could actually come in handy for Find My, because if you lose a case, this will be able to, of course, play a sound and help you find the case, which actually I do think would be pretty handy, because I do lose my case very often around the house. However, as a rebuttal, I do want to mention that the AirTag can emit a sound without having to have speaker holes, and so surely Apple can just give us that same tech within the case of these AirPods. Now, continuing with the interesting leaks, we do also have details regarding health sensors with AirPods, and this kinda seems pointless because many of us have an Apple Watch. These already have tons of sensors packed in, so why give us similar sensors built into the AirPods? And yeah, that space that's used up for these sensors can of course be used for bigger batteries within these AirPods, and so yeah, I do think this won't happen, and if it does, it's gonna be a very pointless upgrade. To be honest, the only interesting leak that makes sense is lossless audio support for these AirPods. Now yes, I know the Bluetooth codec Apple has right now has no support for lossless audio, but of course, Apple can use their own tech, like AirPlay, to get lossless audio working with these AirPods. And yeah, I would be down for that, because Apple promoting lossless audio with Apple Music and then not giving us support for that with their own headphones never made any sense, and so yes, we should see support for lossless audio with at least AirPods Pro 2 or any future version of AirPods Max. So yeah, those are all the tidbits, guys, but tell me in the comments below, are you planning to upgrade to these AirPods Pro 2? Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video above on details regarding the iPad 10, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.